Oh, you stay there now. Enough outside, okay? Oh, enjoy your house. It's good. Mm. Sus, pag lumaki na kayo, pasaway na naman kayong lima. Oh. Mm. This is mama's. Mm. Mm. How are you, mamas?